What's up, guys? Today we're working on a Troy-Bilt weed eater. Come from Walmart. Client asked could I fix it. He said he already has all the parts, carburetors and everything. So I told him I would this time. Most time I really don't fool with a lot of the cheaper weed eaters. But since he had the parts and said that he sure is what was wrong with it, so I told him I would. So I'm going to walk you through the steps of replacing the carburetor to see what this Walmart brand weed around. Right now I'm just removing the carburetor. That's the O-ring, what I'm pointing at. It's like almost like your gasket, that seals the carburetor to the intake. The kit came with one, so I did replace it. Right now you can see me using the pick to get it out. Clean it off now with a little brake cleaner to get it clean. I don't want to get any debris or anything behind it so that it won't sit good. So putting it on there now. After fixing this weed, it actually ran pretty good. I did do a little cutting with it that I'm gonna show you all guys at the end. So did pretty good. Did better than what I expected. Right now I'm just getting the fuel filter and all the old fuel line out of it before I put the carburetor on. And this kit that he bought, I'm sure it's an Amazon kit, eBay kit. Came with the primer bulbs, the carburetors, new fuel line, the carburetor itself, fuel filter. Came with quite a bit of things to repair. So, like I said, right here I'm getting all the old fuel line out of it. And on that fuel line, you'll see right here where I show you. You just clip it, make it like a little triangle at the end. That makes it goes down in the hole easy. Then I take some of my the Nibic pliers right here you see me using, and I grab it. These are some great pliers. I bought these pliers from Harbor Freight. They'll think it was probably like $5 or $6. Well worth having for the type of work I do. Right here now I'm just clipping the ends to make them back square. And install the fuel filter back on it. The new fuel filter that came in with the carburetor. I cut my line kind of long a little bit at first just to make sure that everything is long enough so I won't have any problems when I do reinstall the carburetor. This right here just shows a return line that I'm hooking up. That's when it returns the fuel back to the gas tank that passes through the carburetor. Next I'm going to install the carburetor back. What I did before I started up there, I kind of had the carburetor already lined up with the bolts and the gasket already installed, so that when I stick it on, I just can kind of tighten the bolts down. That's it. Hooking up now the throttle cable, hooking that back up. Those lines, I kind of measure them once I get the carburetor on to know how short I want them to be. That right there was still just a tad bit too long, so kind of cut it again. This is the already pre-mixed fuel. He bought that too over here, so to me too. So what I did, I just put it in and we're going to prime it up and see do it run before we put the effort on. As right now, everything doing good. So let's try it. So after starting it, actually ran pretty good, crunk up pretty easy. Now we're going to prep the air filter to put in. Only thing I did was tuck it. It didn't look as bad as well, so I just took it, blowed it off with a little air, and now I'm putting it back in there. I'm gonna take it out back with kind of some tall grass and see how it does. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with the latest content. I really appreciate all the feedback and the watching of the videos. Thanks for watching.